Welcome to Made in English.
Just listen, just English.
Where is my plane?
Oh no, that sounds confusing.
I am at the airport and I feel nervous. I do not know what to say.
Do not panic. Today, you will learn simple English phrases you can use at the airport.
So I should not say, "Where is my plane?"
Right. A better sentence is, "Where is my gate, please?"
Where is my gate, please?
Perfect. That sounds clear, polite, and natural. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Today, we are learning English at the airport.
This episode is for beginner English learners who feel nervous when traveling.
Airports can feel stressful. There are many signs, many people, and many instructions.
Yes, but you do not need difficult English.
You only need simple phrases.
In this episode, we will practice airport English step by step.
We will practice check-in, baggage, security, finding the gate, flight delays, boarding, and asking for help.
And we will also fix common mistakes so your English sounds more polite and natural.
Okay, first mistake. I say, "Where is my plane?"
People may understand you, but it sounds unnatural.
Why is it unnatural?
Because at the airport, you usually do not ask where the plane is. You ask where the gate is.
So I should say, "Where is my gate, please?"
Exactly. The gate is the place where you wait before you get on the plane.
Where is my gate, please?
Good. You can also say, "Could you help me find my gate?"
Could you help me find my gate?
Very good. That sounds polite. Now let us start from the first situation. You arrive at the airport.
I have my passport, my suitcase, and my phone.
Good. First, you need to check in.
Check-in means I confirm my flight and get my boarding pass.
Correct. A boarding pass is the document you need to get on the plane.
Okay, what should I say at the check-in counter?
You can say, "Hi, I would like to check in, please."
Hi, I would like to check in, please.
Good. Do not say, "I want ticket."
I want ticket.
That sounds too direct and incomplete.
The better sentence is, I would like to check in, please.
Yes. Simple and polite. Let us practice the check-in conversation. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Singapore.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay.
Do you have any carry-on bags?
Yes, I have one small backpack.
That is fine. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Where is my gate, please?
Your gate is B12. Go straight, then turn left after security.
Thank you very much.
Great. That was a full check-in conversation.
I learned many useful sentences.
The first one is, "May I see your passport, please?"
And I can answer, "Yes, here you go."
Correct. Here you go means you are giving something to someone.
Yes, here you go.
Another useful question is, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
If I have a suitcase, I say, "Yes, I have one suitcase."
Exactly.
If I do not have a suitcase, I say, "No, just carry on."
Good. Carry-on means the small bag you bring onto the plane. Now let us practice. Repeat after me. I would like to check in, please.
I would like to check in, please.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
I have one suitcase.
I have one suitcase.
No, just carry on.
No, just carry on.
Where is my gate, please?
Where is my gate, please?
Now let us move to baggage problems.
Baggage problems? That sounds stressful.
Yes, but simple English can help.
What if I say, "My bag no come"?
People may understand, but it sounds broken.
What should I say?
Say, "My bag has not arrived."
My bag has not arrived.
Good. Or, "I cannot find my suitcase."
I cannot find my suitcase.
Let us practice.
Excuse me, I cannot find my suitcase.
I am sorry to hear that. May I see your baggage tag?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What color is your suitcase?
It is black.
Is it small, medium, or a large?
It is medium.
Okay, we will check it for you.
Thank you for your help.
Repeat these baggage phrases. I cannot find my suitcase.
I cannot find my suitcase.
My bag has not arrived.
My bag has not arrived.
Here is my baggage tag.
Here is my baggage tag.
It is a black suitcase.
It is a black suitcase.
Now let us talk about security.
Security makes me nervous because people speak quickly.
That is normal. At security, you mostly listen and follow instructions.
What will the officer say?
The officer may say, "Please put your bag on the tray."
Please put your bag on the tray.
They may also say, "Remove your laptop, please."
Remove your laptop, please.
Or, "Please take off your jacket."
Please take off your jacket.
Let us practice a security conversation. Please put your bag on the tray.
Okay.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Please remove your laptop from your bag.
Sure.
Please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Thank you. You can take your things now.
Thank you. What if I do not understand? Should I just stay quiet?
No, it is better to ask politely.
What can I say?
Say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Good. These are very useful at the airport. Repeat after me. Sorry, I do not understand.
Sorry, I do not understand.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Now you passed security. Next, you need to find your gate.
This is where I panic.
Do not panic. Look at your boarding pass first.
It says Gate B12.
Good. Now ask airport staff.
Excuse me, where is Gate B12?
Go straight, then turn right. It is near the coffee shop.
Go straight, then turn right?
Yes, that is right.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
What if I say, gate where?
People may understand, but it sounds broken and not polite.
Better sentence. Where is Gate B12, please?
Yes. Or, could you help me find gate B12?
Could you help me find Gate B12?
Now repeat these direction phrases. Where is gate B12, please?
Where is Gate B12, please?
Could you help me find my gate?
Could you help me find my gate?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Now let us talk about flight delays.
Oh no, my flight is delayed.
Delayed means the flight will leave later than planned.
What should I ask?
You can say, "Excuse me, is my flight delayed?"
Excuse me, is my flight delayed?
You can also ask, "What time will boarding start?"
What time will boarding start?
Boarding means getting on the plane.
Boarding means getting on the plane. Excuse me, is my flight delayed?
Yes, your flight is delayed by 30 minutes.
I see. What time will boarding start?
Boarding will start at 3:15.
Has the gate changed?
No, the gate is still B12.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Repeat these delay phrases. Is my flight delayed?
Is my flight delayed?
What time will boarding start?
What time will boarding start?
Has the gate changed?
Has the gate changed?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Now let us practice boarding.
Boarding is when I get on the plane.
Correct. At the gate, staff may ask for your boarding pass and passport. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Please wait in line.
Okay.
You may board now.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Now let us make a full mini story from beginning to end.
Great. I am ready.
You are at the airport for the first time. You feel nervous, but you remember simple English phrases.
I walk to the check-in counter.
The staff smiles and says, "Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
I say, "Good morning. Yes, here you go."
The staff asks, where are you flying today?
I say, "I am flying to Singapore."
The staff asks, do you have any bags to check in?
I say, "Yes, I have one suitcase."
The staff gives you your boarding pass.
I ask, "Where is my gate, please?"
The staff says, your gate is B12. Go straight, then turn left after security.
I say, "Thank you very much."
Then you go to security.
The officer says something very fast.
You do not understand, but you do not panic.
I say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
The officer says slowly, please put your bag on the tray.
I say, "Okay."
After security, you cannot find gate B12.
I ask someone, "Excuse me, could you help me find gate B12?
The person says, go straight, then turn right. It is near the coffee shop.
I say, "Thank you for your help."
At the gate, you see the screen. Your flight is delayed.
I ask the staff, "Excuse me, what time will boarding start?"
The staff says, boarding will start at 3:15.
I say, "Thank you."
Finally, boarding starts.
The staff says, "May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?"
You say, yes, here you go.
Then I get on the plane.
You did it. You used simple airport English.
I did not panic.
Before we finish, let us review the most important phrases.
Number 1.
I would like to check in, please.
I would like to check in, please.
Number 2.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport. Number 3.
I have one suitcase.
I have one suitcase. Number 4.
No, just carry on.
No, just carry on. Number 5.
Where is my gate, please?
Where is my gate, please? Number 6.
Could you help me find my gate?
Could you help me find my gate? Number 7.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Number 8.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Could you speak more slowly, please? Number 9.
Is my flight delayed?
Is my flight delayed? Number 10.
What time will boarding start?
What time will boarding start? Number 11.
Has the gate changed?
Has the gate changed? Number 12.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Now I feel more confident at the airport.
That is the goal. You do not need difficult English.
I only need simple phrases.
Yes, simple phrases can help you stay calm.
Do not panic at the airport.
Use simple English phrases.
If you forget a word, stay calm and ask for help.
Say, could you repeat that, please? Or could you speak more slowly, please?
That is enough to keep the conversation going.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep practicing these airport phrases.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep learning English every day.
Goodbye.